Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. On this channel, I try to unbox a lot of watches and a lot of price ranges to help other watch collectors with their decision in buying such watch. So if you have any suggestions, any kind of recommendations of watches that you wanted to be reviewed, or you have questions about any other watch, leave them in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe as well. So today's unboxing, as you can see, we have a Casio Edifice. They always have these really long reference number EFR-574D-1AVUEF, as you can see from here. I'll leave the details in the description below. Very simple box. That's exactly what you want to see in an affordable watch under 150 euros. A very simple box that didn't cost them any money. So the most of the costs or the most of the value is inside the watch, which I always prefer, to have more value in the watch than a more premium box or anything like this. I have to say, from first glance, from feel, it feels quite nice. It feels really nice. Let me take this off. So we have the Edifice, Casio Edifice, like I said, it's a chronograph. And it has a quartz movement. It has a, let's get the caliper. It has a 41 millimeters, that's a bit from the, here, 41 millimeters in diameter. Lug to lug is 46.5 and thickness is 12 millimeters, 11.5 maybe. And on the supply bracelet, it is 145 grams. The watch is 100 meters water resistance. It has a loomed dial, so you have loomed indices and loomed hands, different colors. Right, no, same, green, and yellow seconds hand, chronograph. So screw down crown from the looks of it, right? No, not a screw down crown. So let's move the hands. So as you can see here, we have a day and date window. The day has a red for the Sunday, which is today, hopefully out. So I have to move it back so I don't chant the day, because now we have it's Sunday and it's 1:21. So that's time. And you can change the day and date individually, which is great. And you have the running seconds on the 6 o'clock, or the ticking seconds. And then you have the chronograph seconds, which is the yellow one. You have a tachymeter on the bezel. It is polished all around. Also on the bracelet, rattly bracelet, as you can hear. And I have this Citizen on my wrist, 17.1 centimeter wrist. Let's see how this one would look on it. On the supplied bracelet, looks okay. I don't like these male end links on the case of the bracelet, so that's why I think I'll take this bracelet off and put it on some strap that I will be enjoying it more. And what do I have else about the watch? The watch is 135 euros, which I think is really good if you're looking for a quartz chronograph and the same range as this one. Still, if I have the choice, for me, for my style of wearing, I would prefer the Citizen. But I think if you're more of a Daytona person, more of a sporty moon watch or Daytona, I think you would be choosing the Edifice over the Citizen. This is more if you like the classical style of chronograph, and this one is the more modern sporty one. Yeah, let me put it on another strap and show it to you how it will look like. So I put the Edifice on this rubber strap, and I think it matches quite well to the sporty look of this watch. The only couple of things that I think would have been possible in that range, because we'll see it in other watches. That's why I'm really happy that I have a couple of watches at the same time that I can compare them to each other. This has mineral glass, and in that price range, I think with a quartz movement, you could go for a sapphire, which makes the watch much more durable, in my opinion. But I have to say, it looks really nice on that strap as well. Anyways, if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, please leave them in the comment section. And as always, invitation to subscribe. You can find the button here, and on the left and on the right, some videos that might interest you. See you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.